What if your next tablet could replace your laptop, boost your productivity, and elevate your entertainment all at once? In 2026, Android tablets have reached a whole new level of power and intelligence. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best Android tablets in 2026, starting with some surprising contenders that will truly impress you. Number 5, Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus is a premium mid-range Android tablet designed for users who want flagship-level features without paying flagship prices. Built with Samsung's Fan Edition philosophy, it strikes a balance between performance, design, and affordability, making it ideal for students, content consumers, and light productivity users. At its core, the tablet features a large 12.4-inch display with a sharp 2560 by 1600 resolution and a smooth 90 Hz refresh rate, delivering an immersive experience for movies, multitasking, and creative work. While it uses a TFT LCD instead of AMOLED, the panel is still bright, vibrant, and supports HDR content, making it visually impressive in everyday use. Performance is powered by the Exynos 1380 processor, paired with up to 12 GB RAM. It handles daily tasks like browsing, note-taking, and streaming effortlessly, but it's not built for heavy gaming or professional-grade editing. However, Samsung enhances productivity with features like DeX Mode, allowing a desktop-like experience when paired with a keyboard. One of its standout advantages is the included S Pen, which offers precise input for drawing, note-taking, and productivity without needing an extra purchase. Combined with Samsung's One UI on Android 14, the software experience feels polished and feature-rich. Battery life is another strong point, thanks to a massive 10,090 mAh battery, easily lasting a full day of heavy usage. The tablet also features IP68 water and dust resistance, a rare feature in this price segment, adding durability and peace of mind. Overall, the Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus is a powerful all-rounder, perfect for entertainment, studying, and casual productivity. While it lacks flagship-level performance, it delivers exceptional value with its large display, premium design, and bundled S Pen. Number 4, Xiaomi Pad 7 Pro. The Xiaomi Pad 7 Pro is a flagship-level Android tablet designed to deliver near-premium performance at a more competitive price, making it one of the strongest alternatives to high-end tablets like the iPad Air or Galaxy Tab series. At the heart of the device is the powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, built on a 4nm architecture. This chipset brings flagship-grade speed, allowing smooth multitasking, gaming, and even light video editing without lag. Paired with up to 12 GB RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, the tablet feels fast, responsive, and future-proof for demanding users. The tablet features a stunning 11.2-inch 3.2K display with a 144 Hz refresh rate, delivering ultra-smooth scrolling and incredibly sharp visuals. With support for Dolby Vision, HDR, and up to 800 nits brightness, it excels in media consumption, making movies, gaming, and creative tasks highly immersive. In terms of design, Xiaomi adopts a sleek aluminum unibody with a slim profile, around 6.2 mm, and a lightweight feel, 500G, giving it a premium in-hand experience. The tablet also includes quad speakers with Dolby Atmos, enhancing audio quality for entertainment and gaming. Running on HyperOS Android 15, the Pad 7 Pro offers a desktop-like multitasking experience, especially when paired with optional keyboard and stylus accessories. However, unlike Samsung tablets, these accessories are not included, which may increase the overall cost. Battery life is solid with an 8,850 mAh battery, supported by 67W fast charging, allowing quick top-ups and all-day usage. Overall, the Xiaomi Pad 7 Pro is a performance-focused tablet with a high-end display and powerful hardware. While its software ecosystem and accessory support aren't as refined as competitors, it offers exceptional value for users who want flagship specs without paying premium prices. Number 3, OnePlus Pad 2. The OnePlus Pad 2 is a true flagship Android tablet built for users who want top-tier performance, ultra-smooth visuals, and premium design without paying iPad Pro-level prices. It's one of the most powerful Android tablets in 2025 to 2026 and clearly targets gamers, creators, and multitaskers. At its core, the tablet is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, one of the fastest mobile processors available. Combined with LPDDR5X RAM and fast UFS storage, it delivers exceptional speed for gaming, heavy multitasking, and demanding apps. Whether you're editing videos or playing high-end games like PUBG or Genshin Impact, performance remains smooth and stable. The device features a 12.1-inch 3K display, 3000 by 2120, with a 144Hz adaptive refresh rate, making everything, from scrolling to gaming, feel incredibly fluid. With up to 900 nits brightness and Dolby Vision support, visuals are sharp, vibrant, and immersive, ideal for media consumption and creative work. Design-wise, the Pad 2 stands out with its premium aluminum unibody, slim 6.49mm thickness, and lightweight build, 584G, giving it a sleek, high-end feel. It also includes quad speakers, delivering powerful and immersive sound for movies and gaming. For productivity, OnePlus introduces open canvas multitasking, allowing you to run multiple apps side by side more naturally than standard split screen. Paired with Oxygen OS 14, the experience is clean, fast, and optimized for large screens. Accessories like the Stylo 2 pen and keyboard enhance usability, but they are sold separately. Battery life is another highlight, with a 9510 mAh battery and 67W SuperVOOC fast charging, easily lasting a full day and recharging quickly. Overall, the OnePlus Pad 2 is a performance beast with a stunning display and premium build. While its software ecosystem and accessories aren't as refined as Samsung's, it offers incredible value for power users who prioritize speed, gaming, and entertainment. Number 2, Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra is Samsung's most powerful and premium Android tablet, built as a true laptop replacement with a massive display, AI features, and flagship performance. It's designed for creators, professionals, and users who want the absolute best Android tablet experience. At the center of the experience is its huge 14.6-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a 120Hz refresh rate, delivering ultra-smooth visuals, deep blacks, and vibrant colors. Whether you're editing videos, multitasking, or watching content, the large screen feels more like a portable workstation than a tablet. Samsung also added an anti-reflective coating, improving visibility in bright environments. Performance is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus chipset, paired with up to 16GB RAM and 1TB storage, making it one of the fastest Android tablets available. It easily handles heavy multitasking, gaming, and creative workloads. Compared to the previous generation, it delivers noticeable gains in CPU, GPU, and AI processing performance. A major highlight is the included S Pen, which turns the tablet into a powerful tool for drawing, note-taking, and productivity. Combined with Samsung's Galaxy AI features, users can perform advanced tasks like smart note organization, AI-assisted writing, and faster workflows directly on the device. The tablet also features a massive 11,200 mAh battery with fast charging, ensuring all-day usage even with demanding tasks. It includes quad speakers with Dolby Atmos, dual front cameras for video calls, and IP68 water and dust resistance, adding durability to its premium build. Overall, the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra is a powerhouse tablet. It excels in display quality, productivity, and performance. However, its large size may not suit everyone, and it comes at a premium price. If you want a tablet that can replace a laptop for work, creativity, and entertainment, this is one of the best options available in 2026. Number 1, Google Pixel Tablet 2 Pro. The Google Pixel Tablet 2 Pro represents a bold evolution of Google's vision for the future of Android tablets, blending premium hardware, AI-driven software, and seamless smart home integration into one powerful ecosystem device. Designed as more than just a tablet, it functions as a hybrid productivity hub and intelligent home controller, redefining how users interact with their digital environments. At its core, the Pixel Tablet 2 Pro is expected to build upon Google's custom silicon, likely featuring a next-generation Tensor chipset, delivering enhanced AI performance, faster multitasking, and improved energy efficiency. This enables advanced on-device capabilities such as real-time voice processing, intelligent photo editing, and context-aware automation, hallmarks of Google's AI-first approach. The display is anticipated to receive a major upgrade, potentially moving to a higher refresh rate panel with improved brightness and color accuracy, making it ideal for content consumption, gaming, and creative workflows. Combined with quad-speaker audio, the multimedia experience is immersive and balanced, whether you're streaming, editing, or video calling. One of its standout features remains the Smart Dock integration, transforming the tablet into a Nest Hub-style device when idle, allowing hands-free control of smart home devices, media playback, and Google Assistant interactions. This dual-purpose design gives it a unique edge over traditional tablets. Security and longevity are also key strengths, with Google typically offering multiple years of updates and built-in hardware security layers like Titan chips and AI-based threat detection. Overall, the Pixel Tablet 2 Pro isn't just a tablet, it's a smart, adaptive centerpiece for both productivity and modern connected living.